Hi friends, I hope everybody is doing well and hearty. Today I will be unboxing a smartwatch that I purchased from Flipkart during this Diwali sale, and this smartwatch is from a maker called Play, and they have recently introduced the PlayFit smartwatch, and during this offer I bought it for rupees 2,999, which was a great price because the actual retail price is around 5,999, and it was being sold at a discounted price during this Diwali sale. So without further ado, let's quickly open this box and see what comes inside the package. So this is the retail box of the watch, and I have my billing, which I will keep it aside. And this is how the box looks like. It has the photo of the smartwatch. On the side we have all the specifications. It says it's female healthcare. So we have the heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, music control, multi-sports, calorie consumption monitor, message reminder, sedentary alert, call reminder, target completion reminder, step counting monitoring function, multi-watch faces, brightness control, breath guide, mobile phone finder, and alarm clock. So multiple options, multiple functionalities. It looks really great. And on this side we have some more specifications. It says it's notification level and vibration, stainless steel casing, Corning Gorilla Glass 2.5D. Charging time is about 2 to 2.5 hours, and with full charge it says its working time is 10 to 15 days, which I need to check. It has tip waterproof up to 5 meters, I believe. I don't know whether there is 5 meter or not, but it says it's waterproof. And it has up to 14 sports modes. Great. And then it has some more specification. It says Bluetooth, high precision sensor, low power consumption. So specification looks very promising. So let's open this box and quickly see the watch and other contents inside the box. So this is the watch itself. Let me remove it from the soft rubber casing or rubber packaging. Not rubber, it's sponge actually. Okay, I'll keep this aside for some time, and let me open out what other it has. This is the warranty card. So this is the user guide, and it has all the instructions on how to set up this device. So let me keep this aside, and let's look at the watch itself. So apart from the watch, we have this proprietary charging dock with a full USB port. Let me keep this aside and open the watch itself. How do I open this? Okay, so I have to push it like this, and this is the watch. So it has Play written over the wristband, and let me open this quickly. And the strap is made of, or I would say, rubber. And looking at the quality, I feel it's just okay. It's not, it doesn't feel premium, but I think at its price range, which is 2,999, I think the quality is just okay. So let me remove this cover on the screen. And as you can see, the bezel, I'm not sure if you can see, the bezel is pretty small. It doesn't cover the entire size of the screen. If you can see, there's some gap here and some gap at the bottom, and then small little gaps at both the sides. So at the back side you can It has the Play logo and it says heart rate smartwatch, water resistant, and Corning Gorilla Glass. It has a heart rate monitor and it has the charging the points for charging, and it should connect like this. So this is how it connects, and you just plug into a power source and it should charge. Let me check if the watch has some juice left and if it powers on. So it looks like the smartwatch is out of battery, so I'll charge the smartwatch for some time and get back after it has got some juice left. So I have charged the battery, and as you can see it is now on, and this is the initial dial that you can see, which has the time in bold big numbers, and then you have the date and the time and the day, number of steps, and I don't know what this is. So some of the portions of the screen are partial touch enabled. For example, for the below, if you want to see how many calories burned, you can just move around and just change only this portion, so the entire stuff doesn't change. Then you scroll up and it gives you access to multiple options. If I scroll to right, it gives me the menu, and if I scroll this side, it has the overall menu. So if I go to settings, I can change the watch dials. So this is the dial that it currently is set up. I can change it to multiple other options. I feel the first one itself looks pretty cool, so I'll keep it to this. And right now the date says January 1st to Thursday, so I need to change that. So I will go to settings, and I should have option to change the timings. Okay, so I think in order to change the timings, I need to sync this with my phone, and there is an app that I can download for both Android and iOS, and once I have downloaded this, I can reset the timings and the other settings on this watch. But at first impression, the watch looks, especially the casing, it says it's made of metal, I believe, stainless steel casing, which feels really premium. At first glance it looks like the iWatch, and which is really good, even though it's not, but it looks really like an iWatch, except that the strap is different from a normal iWatch strap. I'm not sure if Play also has different accessories to change the strap, because the strap does make it feel a little cheap, except that the casing is really good. I'll do a full review of this watch later on after I've used it for a couple of days. Right. So that's it for now, friends. This is just a brief unboxing and first impression that I'm doing. As promised, I will be uploading a full review of this watch. Please stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.